Douglas Kanja uria wendekithitwo tuika munene wa Boris Mweru na kinyite mbere ya nkiama ya kumuunga mauri kenda mbire ngui yewe kithira hakulukwa. Kanja akiaria na yeyanite moerane kathumba yara kaingia wakanya kau na ronanitie kuruta ngui kwa nkulukia miaka 39. Boniface Mongera Batio nkuluki
gwikinyire mbere kamiti ya kuringanira yokaria bondene ya bunge nene ni nyabunge senate bwana Douglas Kanja ororotikanye ne kaijo polisi no kali tayari buru kwithirwa akiaria uma.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Bwana Kanja akiabiria Nkanja igurutiwe bwawe na ugire na miaka 39 hari kirongini ro polisi na makinya jojo tongire bobwe garo jodire tumatomwa na jakonekana.
I did a lot of reforms in the GSU to the extent that the unit, I did put it in a way that the entire unit remained mission ready at any time. We could be able to deploy within the shortest time possible. And this one can actually be confirmed but by what happened in Dusit when in the year 2019, January I remember, when our country was attacked by terrorists in the Riverside Drive down here. We were able to respond very, very quickly when the terrorists struck.
Mubire ba polisi na byo kwethira bakiuraga andamani kagitene kama andamano ibethire bikiumira ntereshonde kiama bakionania kuria kunganira kwao mandamano mathiru tendu kimbithikana jenzi.
What would you do to map out Nairobi well so that you do not have demonstrators come to the center of the city and cause the kind of mayhem?
Some of our officers not wearing proper uniforms during demonstrations. I think that's an area that I'm going to address if approved and appointed the IG, because we know what is the regulation says, what is the conduct, how is the police supposed to conduct itself. We are very much aware of that. So once chair am approved, I'm going to deal with this issue.
Kogarro toro mabitha ba polisi amwa kwagirithia mwonekano jondongisho karija ntheru ne Kenya ni ontu bomwe Kanja augirageta kuthithia.
What will you do differently to ensure that the National Police Reservists are well equipped, are well enumerated?
There are those uniforms, the blue uniform that is ordinarily worn by the general duty officers in the urban areas, the blue uniform. We are changing that one, and in fact, a lot of investment in that direction has been done, including public participation, and we have gotten what the officers and the public feels that this is the right one. So what is remaining is the rollout.
What strategies are you going to put in place so that things like recruitment, it is not for the highest bidder?
Yes, recruitment is an area. The last time we did the recruitment, I think the last pass out parade was done last year. So we are going to do another one very soon.
Mkoja kwa akiamba kethro bakimona na abu kwethro kejo kyangogeje bakethro bakiandika report na kuminata kire bunge nene are kethro ikererwa abunge betikaniria kwethro bemukorokia kana bemurega gokeja kwa bakethro bemurega rais Ruto akethro akirasime gochoka mokuna jawe kaire na gochwa mtonge kumorota kanyene gaka nke reporter Ntoshoro TV kumaji karone bia bunge kingine ngine ne kine kimsho Nairobi Beta Boniface Mongera.